Yeah. Get a handful of my debris from the garden. But they do like the seeds, so I'll leave them those. This helps with the insulation around the edges of the doors where any drafts might come in when the wind kicks up at night and it gets really cold. I have one chicken that is stuck inside. She's really stupid. Why do I always have to let you out through the big door? Yeah. Oh, it's still playing. Now, instead of doing a daily or a weekly clean out, I can stack bedding on top of the old bedding, and not only does it smell fresh, but it'll allow the microorganisms to break down and create a richer compost for my garden next season. Well, that's kind of it for the bedding for now.